Welcome back to another video on the Math channel. It's your teacher, Mr. Lim here, and we've finally made it to the last question, question 40 of the Caringbah 2020 trial. So here we have a diagram, and the question says, the diagram shows a graph of the curve y equals e to the x minus e to the negative x over e to the x plus e to the negative x. Okay, so that's our curve. Show that the shaded region bounded by the curve, the x-axis and the line, x equals k, where k is greater than 0, has area ln of e to the k plus e to the negative k all over 2. Okay, so because we want to work out this shaded area, we need to use the integration, and we need to find the integral. Now, it needs to go from this x value of 0 to this x value of k. Okay, so this x equals k. So that means we're going to be integrating from 0 to k e to the x minus e to the negative x all over e to the x plus e to the negative x dx. Alright, so the question is, how do we do this? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at my reference sheet. I'm going to see if I can get any hints from that. So we're integrating a fraction here. So here's my reference sheet. Here's my fraction. If I were to integrate f dash of x over f of x, then I'll get ln of the absolute value of f of x plus c. The thing is the numerator the first derivative of the denominator? We need to double check that. So here's my f of x. I'm just going to say f of x is equal to e to the x plus e to the negative x. What's f dash of x? Because if this is f dash of x, then yes, great, I can integrate it. If not, I might need to manipulate it, and then I'll integrate it. So when we differentiate this, we get e to the x. What do we get when we bring this down? We get negative e to the negative x. Okay, that's exactly the same. Okay, so that's exactly the same as the numerator. So technically we do have f dash of x over f of x. So now that we've got that, I'm just going to bring this down. Bring my working down here. And that means I'm just going to rewrite this again. E to the x minus e to the negative x all over e to the x plus e to the negative x dx. When I integrate that, I will get ln of f of x, ln of the absolute value of this f of x, e to the x plus e to the negative x, that's the denominator, plus c, except it's what's it called? A definite integral. So we're going to go from 0 to k. Right, so now we can sub these values in. We've got ln of the absolute value of e to the k plus 1 over e to the k minus the ln of the absolute value of e to the power 0 plus e to the negative 0, it's just e to the 0. Okay, so what's that equal to? Ln of e to the k plus e to the negative k minus ln of 2. Now, because these both have the same base of e, so this is log base e minus log base e, we can use our log laws and combine it as one fraction because of the minus sign. So we've got ln of this at the top over this at the bottom. And we've shown it. Okay, part B. No, there's no part B. So that's it. Hope that helped. Thanks everyone.